Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. We are going to be discussing about variation. What is variation? Variation is a relationship between two or more quantities, and a change in one will result to a change in the other quantity. And we have different types of variation. We have direct variation, we have inverse, we have joint and partial variation. So, and the symbol for variation is this symbol here. So this is the symbol for variation. So we'll start with the first type, which is direct variation. We have three examples to show how to solve direct variation. The first one, number one, G varies directly as the square of H. Number one, G varies, this is the sign of variation, as the square of H, that is H squared. So this first statement, this is what it represents. The second step is that you have to remove this and put equal to and introduce a constant. We have what is called constant of variation. So we have G is equal to K H squared. Once you remove this, you introduce a constant. If G is 4, so our G here is 4, this is where G is located. So we have 4 is equal to K times our H is 3 squared. So we are trying to get the constant, and when we get the constant, we'll go back to this and replace it in this formula here, in this equation 1. So we have 4 is equal to K times 3 squared is 9. So we have 4 is equal to 9 times K is 9K. Divide both sides by 9. So our constant is 4 over 9. Then we'll go back to this. Anywhere we see K, we replace it with 4 over 9. So we have G is equal to, instead of K, I have 4 over 9, then H squared. This is the relationship or the formula connecting G and H. Then let's continue. We have find H when G is 100. So we are looking for, we are giving G as 100, while we are looking for the H. So let's go back to it. So G is 100. 100 is equal to 4 over 9 H squared. We'll cross multiply. 1 times 4 H squared is 4 H squared is equal to 100 times 9 is 900. So let's divide both sides by 4. Our H squared is equal to, I think 4 go here is 1. 4 going to 9 is 2. 2. Remember 1 here. 4 going to this is going to give us 2. Remember 2. Then 4 going to 20 is 5. So we have H equals to 225. So our H is square root of 225. And square root of 225 should give us 15. Yes, it's 15. So the answer for H is 15. As easy as that. So let's go to the second question here. Let me clean this part. No, let me clean here, so that you can be seeing the question. So we go to the next one, number 2. We have Q varies directly as the cube of P. That is Q varies directly as the cube. Cube means raised to the power of 3. Then you have to introduce a constant. Q is equal to K P raised to the power of 3. Let's continue. When P is 1, Q is 3. So our P is 1, Q is 3. I will come to this place where there is Q and put 3 there. Is equals to K times my P is 1 raised to the power of 3. So we have 3 is equals to 1 raised to the power of 3 means 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. 1 times K is K. So our constant K is 3. You go back to this and replace the value of the constant with this 3. So we have Q is equals to 1 times P cube is P cube. And that is the answer. Sorry, this is 3, not 1. So we have 3P cube. So be careful. This is 3P cube. Then find P when Q. So we are looking for P. but we are given Q as 24. Let's go right to the question. So we have 24 using this formula here is equals to 3p cubed. Divide both sides by 3. So I have 24 over 3 is equal to 3p cubed over 3. 3 will cancel 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8 is equals to p cubed. When cube goes the other side, it will become cube roots. So cube root of 8 means what number will multiply itself 3 times to get 8 is 2. So therefore, my p is equal to 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. As easy as that. Then number 3 question here. We have number 3 question here. We have p varies directly, that is this, as the cube roots. Cube root means cube roots of q. So let's remove this and introduce our constant k, cube roots of q. When p is 20, so coming to where there is p, 20 is equals to k times cube root of our q is 125. This is 20 is equals to k times cube root of 125 means what number will multiply itself 3 times to give you 125, which is 5. So we have 5 here. 20 is equals to k times 5 is 5k. Then divide both sides by 5. Our k is equals to 20 divided by 5 is 4. You will go back to this formula here and replace k with 4. And we now have p is equals to 4 cube root of q. This is the relationship or formula between p and q. Then find the value of p when q is 27. So I have p is equals to 4 is here times cube roots. Our q now is 27. Then p is equals to 4 times. What number will multiply itself 3 times to give you 27? 3. So p is equals to 4 times 3, 27. Sorry, 4 times 3 is 12. And that is how to solve your direct variation. So we are still going to treat inverse, joint, and partial variation. And there are ways we treat each and every one of them. So you have to be very careful in trying to interpret. How do you know it's direct? They are going to indicate it for you in the question there. So see you in the next video. Thank you.